Today in this video we are going to see the topic weight. So what is the definition of weight in physics? Most of the students get confused. So what is the difference between mass and weight? What is the definition of weight? What is the definition of mass? Okay? Are those both are same or not? So both are not same. Weight and mass both different concepts. Today we are going to see what is the definition of weight. So weight means the force which is acting on a body due to gravitational force. Due to gravitational force is called weight. Okay. What is the definition of weight? The force which is acting on a body due to gravitational force is called weight. So next, what is the definition of mass? Mass is the quantity of substance. Whatever we take a body, the quantity of that body is called mass. The quantity of a substance is called mass. Okay, this mass does not influence by gravitational force. Okay, weight will influence by gravitational force. This is influenced by gravitational force. This is not influenced by gravitational force. Okay, weight, mass are not same. Both are different concepts. So mass remains entire universe, remains constant in entire universe, but weight is not constant. It varies. It changes from place to place. Okay, but mass cannot change. Wherever we go, the mass of the body is same, but the weight of the body changes from place to place. So if you go at equator, it has one value weight. If you go at poles, there is a different value of the weight. So weight అనేది ఏంటంటే ప్లేస్ టు ప్లేస్ మారుతూ ఉంటుంది, బట్ మాస్ అనేది మారదు. ఓకేనా, మాస్ అనేది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా కానీ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది మాస్, బట్ weight is not constant. It varies from place to place. ఓకే, అంటే ఈక్విటర్ దగ్గర ఒక విధంగా ఉంటుంది, పోల్స్ దగ్గర సో ఇంకో విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, weight can varies but mass cannot varies. Mass is remains constant at any place. Okay, but in this video we are talking only weight of the body. We are talking only weight of the body. So what is the weight? The force which is acting on a body due to gravitational force, that is called weight. So it is denoted by W. Okay, what is the mathematical expression of weight? W equal to mg. Okay, W equal to mg means weight depends upon acceleration due to gravity. W is directly proportional to g. So when the g value changes, W also changes. Okay, when the g value increases, weight also increases. When g value decreases, weight also decreases. At poles, g has maximum value, so that's why weight also maximum at poles. At the equator, G has minimum value, so So that's why weight also it has minimum value. So this weight is depends upon acceleration due to gravity. Okay, it is a vector quantity. Third point is it is a vector quantity. So what are the units? Units. SI unit is Newton. What is the unit of weight? Newton. So this is equal to force. Force unit, weight unit both are same. Okay. So this is a weight. Okay. Already you might have seen lift. So lift చూసే ఉంటారు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ. సో పెద్ద పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్లు పైకి ఎక్కేటప్పుడు లిఫ్ట్లో వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. సో లిఫ్ట్లో వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే లిఫ్ట్ పైకి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు సో వెయిట్ పెరిగినట్లుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అదే లిఫ్ట్లో కిందికి వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే వెయిట్ తగ్గినట్లుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. సో వైట్ సో what is the mathematical expressions for that? Okay, let us see one by one. Okay, so this is a lift. What is this lift? A man or a body is placed on the floor of a lift. So okay, a body means a man. So okay, a body is placed on the floor of a lift. So lift lo body undalu. So body means a man. Okay, the weight of the body acts on the floor of a lift. Okay, the weight of the body acts on the floor of a lift. At the same time, reaction force of the floor acts on the body. So okay, body యొక్క weight ఫ్లోర్ మీద పనిచేసేటప్పుడు at the same అదే టైం రియాక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ ఏంటి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో సో ఈ బాడీ మీద అప్లై చేస్తుంది యాక్షన్ అండ్ రియాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్. weight of the body acts on the floor of a lift. At the same time, reaction force acts on the body. Okay, now what is the weight of the body acts on the floor of a lift? That is mg. So what is the weight? mg acts downwards. At the same time, reaction force acting downwards that is represented by r. This r acts in upward direction. So this r is also called apparent weight. What is this? R refers apparent weight. Or normal reaction. Okay, let us see different cases. When the lift is moving upwards with acceleration a, what is the apparent weight? So is it decrease or increase? Okay, when the lift is moving upwards, what is the apparent weight of the body? Let us see. What is the first concept, first case? If a lift is moving up with acceleration a, if a lift is moving up with acceleration a, what is the apparent weight? What is the mathematical expression of apparent weight? So this is a lift, this is a body, a lift is moving in upwards. Okay, what is the force of direction? Upwards. So what is the weight of the body acts downwards? That is mg. So weight of the body acts downwards, at the same time reaction force acts upwards, that is r. So now what is the resultant force of these two forces? Okay, resultant force F equal to, so these two forces, in these two forces which one is greater? That means R is greater than to mg. Why? Because lift is moving upwards. So lift పైకి మూవ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఈ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉందనుకోండి లిఫ్ట్ కిందకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? when the lift is moving upwards, R is greater than to mg. That means what is the resultant force? R minus mg. సో ఎక్కువ ఉన్నదాన్ని కానీ తక్కువ ఉన్నది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు రిజల్టెంట్ ఫోర్స్ అంటే వస్తుంది. సో F equal to R minus mg. This is the equation of motion. Okay? From Newton's second law, what is the force? Force equal to ma. Okay, I am substituting F is equal to ma in this equation. ma equal to R minus mg. Okay, from this equation we can write R equal to, if we take minus mg to left side, it become plus mg. So ma plus mg. If we take common from these two terms, ma plus mg, I am taking common mg from these two terms. R equal to mg. So mg combination వచ్చే ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి అంటే ma by mg plus 1. Okay, m will get cancelled. What is next equation? A by g plus 1. We can write this equation 1 plus a by g. This is normal reaction. This is also called as apparent weight. Apparent weight is indicated by W prime. So W prime indicates apparent weight of the body. W prime equal to mg into a by g. Okay, what we can understand from this equation? Okay, this equation represents when the lift is moving upwards, apparent weight of the body increases. Apparent weight of the body increases how many times? A by g times. A by g times. The apparent weight of the body increases by a by g times. 1 plus mg into 1 plus a by g అంటే సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నాడు. 1 minus a by g ఉందనుకోండి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఉన్న వెయిట్ కన్నా ఇంకా ఎక్కువ వెయిట్ ఉన్నట్టుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? apparent weight of the body increases by a by g times. Okay, so next case, if a lift is moving downwards, so if a lift is moving down with acceleration a, so what is the apparent weight of the body? So in this case, a lift is moving down. So this is a body which is in lift. The weight of the body acts downwards, that is mg. At the same time, normal reaction force R acts upwards. This is the reaction force, this is the action. Action and reaction are in opposite directions. So this is the force, resulting force. So what is the resulting force? Here, if you observe, this lift is moving downwards. That means mg is greater than to R. In this case, mg is greater than to R. So lift కిందికి వస్తుంది అంటే ఈ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటేనే కిందికి వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? లిఫ్ట్ పైకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఈ ఫోర్స్ పైకి ఎక్కువ ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? That's why I am writing here mg minus r. In previous case, I have written r minus mg. Why so? In this case, r is greater than to mg. In this case, mg is greater than to r. That's why I have written like this. So what is here? From Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. I am substituting here. The place of F, I have substituted ma. ma equal to mg minus r. From this equation, I am writing r equal to mg minus ma. I am taking mg common. 1 minus ma by mg. will get cancelled. mg into 1 minus a by g. So this is called apparent weight. Normal reaction means is also called apparent weight. In this case, what is the equation? W prime equal to mg into 1 minus a by g. In previous case, W prime equal to mg into 1 plus a by g. So 1 plus 1 minus. 1 minus represent here the apparent weight of the body decreases. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంచుకోండి, మైనస్ రిప్రజెంట్ డిక్రీజెస్. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది అంటే యాడ్ అయింది, అంటే వెయిట్ అనేది కొంచెం యాడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి మనకు వెయిట్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్లుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. చూడండి 1 minus డిక్రీజెస్. సో apparent weight of the body decreases. How many times? A by g times. Apparent weight of the body decreases by a by g times. Okay. Next third case. Case third. So what is the case third? When the lift is at rest. When the lift is at rest or uniform motion. In uniform motion. What is the apparent weight? So, when a lift is at rest means, what is the equation of force here? R equal to mg. When the lift is at rest position, what is the expression of apparent weight? R equal to mg. Action and reaction forces both will equal. W prime equal to mg. Okay. In this case, W prime equal to mg. When the lift is at rest. Okay. Rest position means acceleration is 0. Uniform motion means there is no acceleration. So A is equal to 0. That's why R equal to mg. In this case, the body has original weight. Okay. Sorry. Next, case 4. What is case 4? When a lift is moving freely falling. So when a lift is freely falling onto earth. So freely falling means A is equal to g. So again, acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. That is freely falling. So in this case, lift is moving downwards, freely falling, This is a normal reaction, that is reaction force. This is the action, that is mg. So what is the mathematical expression? So F equal to, here in this case the lift is moving downwards. That's why mg minus r. From this equation, what is F means ma. You put mg minus r. A equal to g here. When the body freely falling under the earth, A is equal to g. That's why I am substituting g here. Mg equal to mg minus r. From this equation we can write mg minus mg plus mg will get cancelled. That means apparent weight of the body is 0. Okay, these are the different cases of the weight the body is in a lift. Okay, remaining topics we will see